And if we were to look at the second row of switches that we have here, we have 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and 1-4 programmed in. Again, representative of 4 different locations in a building. All right, at this point, let's turn our lights off so there's less distraction for us, and let's talk about the dimmer, because we do have some dimmer modules here in the panel, and we should demonstrate those. And those are represented by these 2 representative loads here, up at the top left-hand side of the panel as you're looking at it. And we, of course, have a dimmer switch here in the switch bank as well. Let's look at how we program that dimmer switch. And let's demonstrate what happens when we don't do it properly, because you've seen me actually read out 2 switches and we get the long tone. What happens if we don't line up the PIR sensor, the viewing sensor here, with the actual window properly, and it can't talk to the switch? So we want to read and see what this switch is actually programmed to do right now. Let's line this up and actually not get it lined up properly. You'll hear that you actually get a little beep, a little chirp. That chirp is telling you that it cannot read the bus signal. It's not actually getting a connection with the system through the PIR access point. So we have to reposition our controller, our programmer, and when it works properly, you'll see that you actually get the full tone. And it's going to tell us right now, of course, that we are actually programmed right now as 2-1, which happens to be this address that we've used for this particular dimming application. And of course, being a dimmer, we can dim it down and we can dim it up from here as well. So one of the compelling features of the NexLight system is that you seamlessly integrate relay control, motor control, incandescent, and fluorescent dimming into a single system in a building without having to go to multiple technologies. It's all part of the NexLight system.